The Derma roller has become one of the most effective treatments for hair loss today. I've personally been using it for 2 years and have seen incredible results. However, as a relatively new hair loss treatment, we continue to learn more about it every day, especially regarding the best type of Derma roller to use and how to use it properly. In this update, I will guide you through the latest information, providing a step-by-step process for achieving the best results in the shortest amount of time. The Derma roller, also known as microneedling, is a relatively recent treatment technique. Initially used to treat acne scars, stretch marks, and for facial rejuvenation, it has since gained recognition as an effective remedy for hair loss. Microneedling can help stimulate dormant follicles to regrow healthy hair. Interestingly, when combined with serum treatments, it can enhance results and shorten the waiting time. However, to get the best results, there are 3 key factors to consider. First, choose the correct needle size. A 2021 study compared 2 needle sizes, 0.6 and 1.5 millimeters. Before this, it was widely believed that longer needles were more effective. However, the study revealed that the 0.6 millimeter needle was the most effective for promoting hair regrowth. Longer needles can cause unnecessary damage to the hair follicles, which require the right level of stimulation to regrow healthy. So yes, size does matter in this case. Second, properly prepare the Derma roller. Using the Derma roller isn't as simple as it might seem. It is crucial to ensure the roller is properly disinfected before use to avoid infections. Disinfect it with an alcohol spray before use, or if you don't have alcohol, wash it with warm water and soap to eliminate any microorganisms. Skipping this step can lead to future complications, so don't overlook it. For a high quality Derma roller, I recommend using one that is factory sealed and sterile. I will leave a link to a trusted option on Amazon in the description. Third, use the Derma roller correctly. The technique you use when applying the Derma roller is just as important as the needle size and preparation. Using the roller properly can significantly improve your results. Start by slightly moistening your hair to reveal the thinning area you want to treat. This also helps prevent the roller from getting stuck. Move the roller horizontally across your hairline, rolling it 6 times. Do not roll back and forth. Lift the roller and return to the starting point before repeating the motion. Once you are done with the horizontal passes, repeat the process vertically. After you are finished, your skin should appear slightly red. A little pinpoint bleeding is normal, but be careful not to overdo it. Excessive pressure can cause unnecessary skin irritation. For beginners, I recommend using the Derma roller once a month. As your skin adapts, you can increase the frequency to once a week if desired. I personally use it weekly. However, avoid using it more often as your skin needs time to heal. Bonus tip: use a hair growth serum. Numerous studies showed that using a serum after microneedling can significantly boost hair growth. While some people prefer natural options such as rosemary oil, the most effective serum for hair regrowth is Minoxidil. Although it is a lab-made product, its effectiveness is supported by scientific research. If you choose to use Minoxidil alongside Derma rolling, wait at least 24 hours after microneedling before applying it. Applying Minoxidil on the same day as microneedling can irritate your skin, so waiting a full 24 hours will provide the safest and most effective results. What were your results Derma rolling? Did you combine it with Minoxidil for better results? Write it down in the comments below. Until next time, I wish you a happy hair journey. Adios.